Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a jelly cake made from delicious strawberries. It's easy to make, there's a few ingredients in game, and it's super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need a baking pan which you should secure with a plastic wrap so it doesn't leak. "30 grams of gelatin in a little bowl and add 100 milliliters of water. Mix it and let it sit. Now you'll need 700 grams of strawberries which were cut and washed. Let's choose some for the decorating and cut the others into squares. In a little bowl, add 200 grams of cottage cheese, 100 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of vanilla. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And now, mix it all together. Add all this mixture in a big bowl. Now you add 50 grams of sugar and mix it all around. Now, when the jelly is set, let's heat it up in the microwave and mix together the gelatin and the mixture. First of all, adding and mixing it in a little bowl and then adding it all together and mixing. If you can do it by sets, it's gonna be and have a better result. Now you can add the strawberries and mix it all together and add it into your form. Let's spread it out and make it beautiful, and the strawberries that we left for decoration, we cut it in half and decorate the top. Now let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. When it's all done, take out the film or the plastic wrap, and now using a knife you can take out and separate the cake from the form. And now you can plate it, cut it into pieces and serve it. And this is the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.